Hey, yo, what's up, player? Welcome back to the show. I am the whole with the mold, Mr. Governor 420 up in this place. And I dropped my fucking joint. I don't know where the fuck it went to, man. I just fucking lit up that fucking. Oh, there it is. He was huge. Damn. Drop my damn man. Big ass joint just dropped it, rolled under the goddamn motherfucking thing. Anyway, so apparently, a wonderful individual from Ukraine came to Mexico and crossed the Mexican border illegally because the motherfucking immigration system here, the refugee system here, is all kinds of fucked up because basically Republicans fucked it up because they're hateful pieces of shit. So this Ukrainian lady decided to cross the Mexican border. And let's see what's going on here.
Ukraine made it to Houston after crossing the border from Mexico. 20-year-old Adele Kuchik was a journalism student in Kyiv when Russia invaded. She escaped with her fiancé and 14-year-old brother, then headed to Houston, where she'd been a foreign exchange student in 2018. They flew to Mexico and crossed illegally into the U.S. because Adele says it could have taken them months to get the proper visas. Adele says she was thrilled to reconnect with her former host family, who's been...
Hold the fuck up. So she went to motherfucking America with her host family that she knew and blah blah blah, this and that. And there was no Republican Christians, angels of the Lord threatening to fucking kill her, or there was no Republican Christians stealing her fucking kids away from her, or stealing her little brother away from her and fucking putting them in some kind of fucking child cage to get raped and fucking molested. Are you telling me that no Republican Christian threw rocks at her and shit at her fucking vehicle, dog, when she was rolling in? When she was trying to escape the cartels that were raping her and kill. Oh, I mean, not the cartels that were raping her and killing her and threatening her family, but the Russians that were raping her, killing and threatening her family. Okay, so no Republican Christians are shouting from their fucking churches, the pulpits, to kill her or her family? Shocking.
helping refugees.
I haven't seen them for almost 5 years. I was so excited, but also terrified because of this procedure, of this process for refugees.
They hope to return to Ukraine eventually, but right now Adele says her focus is to work and earn money, send that to those who couldn't make it out.
So wait a minute. She came here, is working here illegally now, and sending that money back to Ukraine to the people who couldn't make it out. Basically the same fucking story that my fucking corn man and my tamale lady tell me. That, oh, we fucking are here because the cartels are shit, and then fucking we send our money back to the family who can't make it. Where's the Republican Christians at? They should be threatening to kill her and her whole entire fucking family. I don't get it. Why are they accepting this lady? Is she on Fox News yet? I'm surprised Tucker Carlson or Sean Hannity or one of those other Christian Republican angels of the Lord didn't threaten to kill her family, or fucking there's a caravan, or nobody screamed about a caravan of Ukrainians coming? No, nobody at all? Kind of fucking weird, you know what I'm saying? Just very fucking weird. Anyway, I'm Mr. Governor 420. I am confused like a motherfucker out of this place. Like, are Republican Christians, I guess they're not making America great again, because they're supposed to threaten her and steal her kids and fucking, I'm confused. Like, I guess our Republican Christians are losing their fucking Christianity and their fucking religious beliefs, but like, they're just gonna let her slide like that? Without threatening to fucking kill her or take her children?